Stop! Why spend $20,000 on a production crew for your store opening when you can use AI for $0? Just look at this. It's the ultimate AI effect to drive massive hype for your brand. No tech skills? No problem. Watch until the end for the exact AI prompts to go viral today. Let's dive in.
First, take an appealing photo of your new store. Then launch Fotor and select AI Image Generator. Upload your photo, enter your text prompts, and choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Then specify the aspect ratio, resolution, and number of images you require for your video sequence. Click Generate. After a brief wait, your generated images will be ready. Next, switch to the Image to Video section and select Kling 3.0 to animate these images. Remember to toggle on the Enable Last Frame option. Then, upload the keyframe images that will serve as the starting and ending points of your video. Enter your video prompt and enable the audio feature. Set the video duration to 5 seconds and the resolution to 1080p to ensure high-quality visuals. Finally, click the Generate button. You will get video like this.
All right, that wraps up today's video. The tools I used and the full prompts in this episode are all listed in the description below. If there are other AI video creation methods you'd like to learn about, feel free to let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.